I am Sarah, so if you're one of us, then roll with us, cause we make the hipsters fall in love when we got our hot pants on and up. And of course we does, we run in this town just like a club, and no you don't wanna mess with us, got Jesus on my necklace, got that glitter on my eyes, stocking fits all up the side, looking sick and sexified. So let's go, let's go. Tonight we're going hard, 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 hard. Just like the world is ours. We're tearing it apart, apart. You know we're superstars. We are who we are. DJ, turn it up. It's about time to live it up. So it's gonna be so serious. It's making my brain delirious. I'm just talking truth. I'm telling you about the we do. We selling our clothes, sleeping in curves, lifting it down, hitting on dudes. Got that glitter on my eyes. Stockings with all of the sign. I'm gonna stop. So yeah, well.